So, sup guys, I have my speaker here, the DS18 Pro Neo 6R. It's a 6.5 inch speaker. So, this is my unboxing. Sorry for the messy car. So, let's see what's inside the box. DS18 decal, installation drawing, owner's manual. Let's put it on the side first. And here it is, DS18 Pro Neo. Still in the packaging. Let's move this to the side. Ooh, nice. Let's focus, yes. 6.5 inch. Nice candy red color, like it. Mid-range loudspeaker, 4 ohms. This is the neodymium style, the ring neodymium they call it, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let's see the specs. Its RMS power handling is 300 watt maximum. I'm not looking at that. Frequency response 65. Really? Mid-range? Can it really do 65 like a mid-bass? Depends. Here are all the specs. So, there you have it. The DS18 Pro Neo series, the R, the Neo rings. Oh, nice. Just like what they have on the subwoofers. It's very light compared to the M&M's Delta 6-inch that I got. So, that was it for my unboxing. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Till laters.